Question number 1. What does a piece of cake mean?
Only ich Pasento can score gute verwunden. Can you? Comment your score at the end. Please one like, share video.
The correct answer is very easy. Question number 2. What does break the ice mean? The correct answer is start a conversation. Question number 3. What does hit the books mean? The correct answer is study hard. Question number 4. What does once in a blue moon mean? The correct answer is very rarely. Question number 5. What does spill the beans mean? The correct answer is reveal a secret. Question number 6. What does under the weather mean? The correct answer is feeling sick. Question number 7. What does cost an arm and a leg mean? The correct answer is very expensive. Question number 8. What does bite the bullet mean? The correct answer is face something difficult. Question number 9. What does let the cat out of the bag mean? The correct answer is tell a secret. Question number 10. What does on cloud 9 mean? The correct answer is very happy. Question number 11. What does go the extra mile mean? The correct answer is make extra effort. Question number 12. What does call it a day mean? The correct answer is stop working. Question number 13. What does hit the nail on the head mean? correct answer is, say exactly the right thing. Question number 14. What does piece of cake describe? The correct answer is an easy task. Question number 15. What does in hot water mean? The correct answer is in trouble. Question number 16. What does a blessing in disguise mean? The correct answer is something that seems bad but turns out good. Question number 17. What does beat around the bush mean? The correct answer is avoid the main topic. Question number 18. What does get cold feet mean? The correct answer is become nervous or afraid. Question number 19. What does keep an eye on mean? The correct answer is watch carefully. Question number 20. What does the ball is in your court mean? The correct answer is it is your turn to act. Question number 21. What does break a leg mean? The correct answer is good luck. Question number 22. What does hang in there mean? The correct answer is don't give up. Question number 23. What does a dime a dozen mean? The correct answer is very common. Question number 24. What does barking up the wrong tree mean? The correct answer is talking to the wrong person. Question number 25. What does cut corners mean? The correct answer is do something cheaply or carelessly. Question number 26. What does easy as pie mean? correct answer is very easy. Question number 27. What does make ends meet mean? The correct answer is manage financially. Question number 28. What does pull someone's leg mean? The correct answer is joke with someone. Question number 29. What does see eye to eye mean? The correct answer is agree with someone. Question number 30. What does speak of the devil mean? The correct answer is the person being discussed appears. Question number 31. What does take it easy mean? The correct answer is relax. Question number 32. What does throw in the towel mean? The correct answer is give up. Question number 33. What does a fish out of water mean? The correct answer is someone uncomfortable in a situation. Question number 34. What does back to square one mean? The correct answer is start over. Question number 35. What does burn the midnight oil mean? The correct answer is work or study late at night. Question number 36. What does buy the book mean? The correct answer is follow the rules. Question number 37. What does in the same boat mean? The correct answer is in the same situation. Question number 38. What does jump on the bandwagon mean? The correct answer is join a popular trend. Question number 39. What does kill two birds with one stone mean? The correct answer is solve two problems with one action. Question number 40. What does miss the boat mean? The correct answer is miss a chance. Question number 41. What does out of the blue mean? The correct answer is unexpectedly. Question number 42. What does rain cats and dogs mean? The correct answer is rain very heavily. Question number 43. What does rule of thumb mean? The correct answer is a general practical rule. Question number 44. What does sit on the fence mean? The correct answer is avoid choosing a side. Question number 45. What does the tip of the iceberg mean? The correct answer is a small, visible part of a larger issue. Question number 46. What does through thick and thin mean? The correct answer is in good and bad times. Question number 47. What does time flies mean? The correct answer is time passes quickly. Question number 48. What does wrap your head around something mean? The correct answer is understand something difficult. Question number 49. What does your guess is as good as mine mean? The correct answer is I don't know either. Question number 50. What does when pigs fly mean? The correct answer is never or very unlikely.